Preposition of place. There are many examples when you tell where one object is located. For example, your computer is on the table, your lunchbox is in your school bag, or your shoes are under the desk, or your pen is there between two books. So the words like on, in, under, and between, they speak about a place where one object is kept. And these words like in, on, under, and between are called preposition of place. In this video, we will talk about preposition of place and we discuss about when to use in, on, under, and between. We can say that preposition of place is a preposition which is used to refer a place where something or someone is placed. After going through this video, you will understand how to use in, on, under, and between to show place of a person or thing. We will learn this by few examples. Look at this picture. Can you see where the ball is? This ball is inside a box. So in this case, we use preposition of place in. We use in when we talk about any object present in an enclosed space, like you see here. We can say that the ball is in the box. In this sentence, we have used in to show place of the ball. As I explained earlier, for preposition of place, we need to identify where an object is located by using different prepositions like in, on, under, and between. In this example, we have used in to show that the ball is inside the box. Let us see one more example. In this example, we can see that there is a piece of paper inside a bottle. So we can say that there is a paper in the bottle. Now we come to next picture. The ball has changed its position. Do you see where the ball is now? We can say that the ball is on top of the table and the ball is also touching the table. So in this case, preposition of place on will be used. We use on when one object is kept on other object and both objects are touching each other. Here we are talking about ball and the ball is above the table and at the same time it's touching the table. So we call it the ball is on the table. Let us see one more example. Where do you think the pencil is? The pencil is on the book. Now we come to next picture. The ball has again changed its position. So we have picture of a ball which is below an umbrella and it is completely covered by the umbrella. So in such case, we have to use preposition of place under. So we use under when one object is covered by another object. Like we see here, the ball is under the umbrella. We have one more picture. Can you make sentence by looking at this picture? Look at the pen, where it is located. We can say that the pen is under the table. Okay, now where do you see the ball? The ball is in the middle of two books, one book and second book. In such cases, we need to use preposition of place between. So between means that the object is in the middle of two other objects. We can make sentence also. We can say that there is a ball between two books. There is one more example. There is a boy standing and there are two rocks, first rock and second rock, at both sides of this boy. We say that there is a boy between two rocks. We used preposition of place between to show position or place of this ball and the boy. You need to keep in mind where to use which preposition of place based on the situation. To help you understand even better, I will bring more pictures on next slide and show you where to use correct preposition of place. See, in this picture, you can see that there is some garbage inside the dustbin. You already know that we need to use in when we talk about any object present in an enclosed space. So in this example, we will use in. We can say that there is some garbage in the dustbin. In this example, you can see that the dog is sitting below the chair. Also, it looks like the dog is completely covered by the chair. So in this case, we need to use under. We use under to talk about something that is below or lower than something else. Also, when we use under, we mean that one thing is covering something else. In this example, dog is below the chair and chair is completely covering the dog. We can say that there is a dog under the chair. In this example, you can see that there are few cookies in the middle of two bottles, first bottle and second bottle. So in this case, we need to use between for cookies. We can say that there are few cookies between two bottles. We move to next picture. In this example, we can see that the cat is sitting on top of a mat. When we have one object on top of another object and both objects are touching each other, then we use on. So, in this example, we will use on for the cat. We can say that there is a cat on the mat. Can you see there are two dogs and one monkey? The monkey is standing between two dogs. So, correct preposition of place will be between. We can say that there is a monkey between two dogs. Okay, we move to next example. We use in when one object is present in an enclosed area. In this example, water is present in a glass. So we need to use preposition of place in here. We see that there is some water in the glass. In this example, we can see that there is a honeybee. This is a honeybee on top of a flower, and honeybee is touching the flower. I'm sure you can guess correct preposition of place in this example. Yes, correct preposition of place is on. We can say that there is a bee on the flower. For this picture, you can take some hint from dog's example. This example. In this example, you can see that there is a farmer standing below a tree. Also, the farmer is completely covered by the tree. So in this case, we need to use under. You know that we use under to talk about something that is below or lower than something else. Also, when we use under, we mean that one thing is completely covered by something else. In this example, farmer is below the tree and the tree is completely covering the farmer. we can say that there is a farmer under the tree. So in this video, we learnt about preposition of place and we saw a few examples where we used in, on, under and between. Remember following points for preposition of place. We use in when we talk about any object present in an enclosed space. For example, the ball is in the box. On. We use on when we talk about two objects where one object is on top of other and both the objects are touching each other. For example, the ball is on the table. Under. We use under when one object is present at below or lower position and it's completely covered by another object. For example, the ball is under the umbrella. Between. We use between when one object is in the middle of two other objects. For example, the ball is between the books. I hope you understood the concept of preposition of place. I'm sure you can identify correct preposition of place in any example. You can refer peacebowl.com to practice quizzes, watch more videos, and get access to various study materials. Thank you.